Hello viewers, today we discuss about amino acid oxidation. In biological system, proteins have fixed half-life and thus are constantly being turned over and there is no store for excess amino acids. Thus, excess amino acids have to be oxidized. The alpha amino group is removed first and the resulting carbon skeleton is converted into one or more major metabolic intermediates and used as metabolic fuel. The carbon skeleton of 20 standard amino acids are funneled into only 7 molecules that are pyruvate, acetoacetyl acetyl-CoA, alpha ketoglutarate, succinyl-CoA, fumarate, and oxaloacetate. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.